right here with you in my kitchen today. Thought I'd do something that I have been doing for a long time since I've heard about smoothies. This is my favorite smoothie, but we're going to change it a little bit and we're going to add oatmeal. That way you can have it for breakfast or you can have it as a snack or whatever. It gets nice and thick. It's really delicious. Let's get started. The first thing you need is a cup of almond milk. Now you can get the almond milk from the store if you'd like, or you can make it yourself. I have a video on it. You could go see that. Or you could use cashew milk. I've also found that besides, you need to start with a liquid. You could start with water if you want. I like using almond milk. I have also made this very same smoothie without the milk, and I've substituted a grapefruit. And you just dig out all the sections and squeeze the juice into your mixer. So we get a cup of almond milk. The next thing is you want to freeze your bananas. If you can go to the store and bananas are on sale, and you can just let them ripen and then put them in some freezer bags and freeze them, and then you can use them for your smoothies or anything else. And that's all I did with this one. It's an old banana. You want them nice and old so they can be sweet. One banana goes in. And then you're going to do a cup of berries. I like mixed berries, so I'm going to use a few raspberries. And I'm going to use some blueberries. Use a half a cup. That goes over a little bit, it's okay. And then I bought fresh, you can buy fresh. A lot of times they'll put strawberries on sale at the grocery store, and you can just buy them, cut them up, and freeze them. So when you want them for a smoothie, you will have them. And I guess 2 is enough. I've got my half a cup, put in a half a cup of berries, and it goes. And then you're going to put in, I'm going to use this again, and I'm going to put in a half a cup of rolled oats. The other thing that I'm going to put in is a half of an apple. Now, if I was using a Granny Smith, you want a nice, like a hard apple, your favorite apple, whatever that is. This happens to be a tiny little pink lady. I found it at BJ's, and they're so little. I just wanted to do a comparison. So I was going to use a half of this, but I thought I'll use this one instead. I just chop it in half. Chop it in half again. You don't have to do this with this blender, but I always do. Just wash it, and I just use the whole thing. The stem, everything. Seeds, all of it just goes in. For sweetness, you're going to use dates. I use medjool dates. They're thick and soft, but you're going to pit it. You're not going to put the pit in. So there's the pit of 1. Throw that in. And then you're going to use about 10, or I'm going to use about 12 scrapes of nutmeg. And then you're going to put in, the last thing you're going to put in is a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Now, I had found out some things about cinnamon that maybe you might not like to know. Cinnamon is a great anti-inflammatory. If you've got problems with having stiffness and swelling in your joints, cinnamon is something you could use. You could do, you can use it in a lot of things, okay? Your desserts and things like that, but I just throw in a half a teaspoon all the time in all my smoothies. You can, anything with oatmeal, you could throw in some cinnamon. I just use a half a teaspoon. Okay, that's everything. Put the top on, and you're gonna have a thick, delicious smoothie in a matter of seconds. But this is going to make a lot, probably 2 servings. But I'll show you how thick it is. I guess it's a little bit thicker than most, right? What do you think? And what I do to garnish it, of course, is I top it with that wonderful cinnamon. And we're all done. There you have it. My berry oatmeal smoothie. If you don't want to put oatmeal in it, you can have the same smoothie, just eliminate the oatmeal, okay? And it'll be really, really tasty. I really like this. I enjoy having a smoothie in the morning. And if you have protein powder, that's another thing you could do. You could just put your protein powder in here too, if you want to do that. But it's very, very thick. It's really good, and you could eat it with a spoon. And because I like it so much, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just try it. Stir in that cinnamon. I already know how delicious it is. You can taste the blueberry, you can taste the oatmeal, the cinnamon. It's really, really good. I really hope that you will try this and enjoy it. Have it for breakfast. Change up your breakfasts. Instead of cooking oatmeal or putting it in a overnight oatmeal, you can try it in a smoothie. Okay? So let me know what you think of it, and turn on the post notifications so that every time I upload, you'll be notified. Leave a comment and subscribe. And so I'm so thankful that you joined me today, and come on back the next time too. Okay? Bye for now.